My name is Emily. I am visually impaired, and this is my guide dog, Junebug. On this episode of On the Trail with Emily and Junebug, we explored the Palo Alto Baylands Preserve in Palo Alto, California. This preserve has a freshwater pond and a saltwater pond. You can view amazing wildlife at this preserve. If you go behind the Lucy Evans Baylands Nature Center, you can actually go on the dock to look over the bay. You can see the bay right at the end of this dock. Since you cannot pick plants at this preserve, at least there's some tactile wooden stuff for you to feel the plants. This preserve is mostly flat, so no hiking stick is needed. This preserve is free to visit, and dogs are allowed at this preserve as long as they're on a leash. There are plenty of birds to listen to at this preserve. Thanks for watching. Junebug and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye!